just saying, you was in the studio with this one, but this one is like, bro, this beat is fire. Now to make the rest of my head look like that. Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna ride in a bike with like a attached. It is my playing on the news like away. This wasn't fake. This is the moment I have been waiting for. The last one. So I guess I'll do this tutorial style. So now you got your hair rubber banded up. Yeehaw, yeah. Make sure it's like nice and detangled. Ooh. Boom, detangled. And you're gonna take your leave-in conditioner of choice. Just a little bit. And put it on there. Just put it on there. And then you take your Shine and Jam. You're gonna need a pretty good amount. And just kind of run it through, starting with your end. And work it up. Work it in there. You want your ends to look like that. You see? Like that. Boom. Like, I don't know, a fucking limp noodle. A stiff limp noodle. That was a terrible, whatever. Anyways. Take your crochet hook. You can find these literally any beauty supply store. You can even find them in Walmart. Just slide it underneath the rubber band. Make sure it's open. You take your section of hair. Twist it just a little bit, and then wrap it over your finger so you can put it on the hook. Close the hook, then drag it through. It might be a little painful if you got your rubber band too tight. Just make sure that you don't make your rubber bands too tight so it's not too painful. And make sure your hair is nice and even at the ends. And so now you got this. What you're gonna do at this point, there are many different ways. This is the way I've been doing on my head for this particular style. You take a little section, like a third of the section from both sides. So now you've got 3. And from then on, you just braid. Just braid. If you're trying to tuck, make sure that the hair that you're tucking is, for one, you may need to actually blow dry your hair. Just basically make sure that the hair is, the braiding hair is covering this hair every go around. And I'm not really too picky on tucking personally, but I know some people, they get a hairstyle, they be like, nope, can't have my hair showing on that one. It just doesn't match, and it's like, no beef, that's you, your prerogative, boo. And yeah, at that point you just braid the rest and boom, you're done. If you notice there's a section getting kind of thin, like this one is kind of thin compared to the others, and you know there's a section that's like huge, what you do is if they're under, if it's like under, you hold it in place. You have to make sure that you keep your braid like taut, and just grab a piece of this from the hair, not too big because then it'll look really weird and chunky. Just separate a piece and add it on to that one. And just keep going. See, it looks completely natural. And boom, we done. God. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. It took like 9 hours to do my whole head, and I'm tired. It's done. It looked good. I'm cute. Nice little triangle part. So cute. You came with me.